It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 2nd of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather brighter today, still temperatures below average. Next chance of rain Thursday night, then really cold air blows in here late this weekend and early next week. How cold? What about the chance of snow? So many questions. Let's see if we can dig up some answers. Here we go. This is the upper air look, and that is a whopper of a trough east of the state. That brought all the snow to New York City and Boston, still snowing up there this morning, and the cold air we felt yesterday and last night. Temperatures this morning are near the freezing mark, upper 20s for Cullman and Aniana, Birmingham at 33. The wind has stayed up all night, so it feels colder than this because of the wind. We do expect a brighter day today. Sunny weather with a high back in the 40s this afternoon. East of the state, wind advisories for much of Georgia. And, of course, winter storm warnings continue in effect for the Northeast U.S. That winter storm will be winding down later today. There's the severe weather outlook through tonight. Maybe a rumble of thunder for the coasts of Washington State and Oregon. Otherwise, much of the country in a cold, stable air mass. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days. And you can see for Alabama, the amount's about 1/2 inch. But let's go right to modeling in a complex winter pattern, see what we can dig up here. This is the GFS, the 06C run valid today at 3. There's your trough. And for us today will be sunny, the high mid to upper 40s, and still breezy, not quite as windy as yesterday. This is tomorrow. We start the day in the 20s. The high will be in the low 50s. The sky will stay sunny. Thursday, here comes the next cold front north and west of the state. The day Thursday will be dry and will be close to 60. That will be the warmest day of the week. Clouds increasing by afternoon. And then the rain moves in here Thursday night. Probably no thunder, no chance of any severe weather. And then Friday, the front is on by. We turn colder. High Friday back in the mid to upper 40s with the sky becoming mostly sunny. After that, rain ends very early Friday morning. So the weekend, this is somewhat of a complex forecast, but I think we can agree the day Saturday will be dry. I'd say the high will be in the low, maybe mid-50s, very close to seasonal averages for this time of the year. But let's go to Saturday night. This is off the GFS, and you can see the Arctic front coming in from the north. And you can see moisture coming in from the south, and everybody goes, what does that mean? Well, I think it means rain for much of the state. Let's go to the European at the same hour. This is 3 a.m. Sunday after midnight Saturday night, and the thermal values probably would represent here all rain for Alabama. If we see precipitation, we probably will. The better chance of getting any snow activity with the Arctic front will most likely be north of the state, over Tennessee. And this is during the day Sunday. And again, you can see that we've got evidence of snow or snow flurries over Tennessee. Some light rain continues for the southern half of the state. And we'll start to turn colder. The high Sunday will be in the 30s for the Tennessee Valley, 40s for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, and then 50s down in South Alabama. And precipitation probably light this weekend. But again, I think we need to mention a chance of rain statewide late Saturday night, early Sunday. And there might be a snowflake over the Tennessee Valley on Sunday as the cold air rushes in, but no evidence of any big issues. But the story, it's the cold air. Now, this batch of the deterministic models have backed off on the cold we're expecting Monday morning. This is the GFS, and this is the European, and now both models are showing lows in the 20s instead of the teens. But we're not changing our forecast that much because you don't flip-flop based on one set of runs here. There's going to be some very cold air coming down the pike. The pattern favors that, and we're still expecting lows in the teens on Monday morning for now. And then during the day on Monday, the weather will be sunny but cold with a high now probably in the 40s based on this guidance. We'll go to Tuesday. We have a zonal flow, and we're still dry. Highs probably low 50s, something like that. And then let's jump ahead to Thursday of next week, and that looks like when the next wave comes in. And again, the question is, could we see any snow or ice on the northern flank of that over North Alabama? This is the GFS, this is the European. You can see it's got a chance of snow in there for Thursday evening. It's just too early to call. I mean, this is more than 7 days out. It's just something to watch. So the bottom line is we turn really cold late this weekend and early next week. The next chance of precipitation toward the middle of next week. At this point, it looks like Thursday. Probably rain, but again, it's just too early to call. We'll be watching for trends. Let's check the European ensemble. You can see that most of the members, not all, show a few snowflakes along the way, but the ensemble members that do show snowflakes are not showing a lot. You got a few that show some significant amounts, but we'll just watch for trends. And again, if we might see a few snowflakes for North Alabama, perhaps as the Arctic air rushes in Sunday evening. But if you're looking for a winter storm, a significant snow event, the chance of that would be toward the middle or end of next week, and we just don't know yet. This is the probabilistic outlook through Friday of next week of greater than 1 inch of snow, and the probabilities are still only in the 10 to 30% bracket for about the northern third of the state. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean, around 2 inches through the 16th of February. And again, this is the national blend of models, and it's got a low for Birmingham Monday morning of 25. And again, this could easily go colder. We've got a forecast colder than that. We'll just see if the NBM catches on with our thoughts. This is the CPC Outlook for the 9th through the 15th of February, showing much of the country, including Alabama, with temperatures below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.